Díreach agus Gaeilge Inniu. Hello and welcome to Lesson 10 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. You've reached the very end of the course. Gorgeous. Congratulations. Enjoy the last conversation.
Cá bhfuil tú ag dul de laethanta saoire Áine?
Tá mé ag dul go hÉirinn.
Oh, go deas. Cá rachaidh tú go díreach?
Rachaidh mé go Gaillimh, go Ciarraí agus go Baile Átha Cliath. An bhfuil tú ag dul saoire tú féin a Bharra?
Tá mé ag dul go hAlbain.
An-deas, bain taitneamh.
Raibh maith agat Áine, Slán go fóill.
Now, let's go through that again. This time, we'll leave gaps for you to repeat after us.
Cá bhfuil tú ag dul de laethanta saoire Áine? Cá bhfuil tú ag dul de laethanta saoire Áine?
Tá mé ag dul go hÉirinn. Tá mé ag dul go hÉirinn.
Oh, go deas. Cá rachaidh tú go díreach? Oh, go deas. Cá rachaidh tú go díreach?
Rachaidh mé go Gaillimh, go Ciarraí agus go Baile Átha Cliath. An bhfuil tú ag dul saoire tú féin a Bharra? Rachaidh mé go Gaillimh, go Ciarraí agus go Baile Átha Cliath. An bhfuil tú ag dul saoire tú féin a Bharra?
Tá mé ag dul go hAlbain. Tá mé ag dul go hAlbain.
An-deas, bain taitneamh. An-deas, bain taitneamh.
Go raibh maith agat Áine, Slán go fóill. Go raibh maith agat Áine, Slán go fóill. So that's it, the final lesson. Hope you got on well with that one. Here are some phrases that you might have picked up for talking about travel and some place names that might be useful when talking about travelling yourself.
Both laethanta saoire and saoire can mean holiday or holidays. Tá mé ag dul means I am going. Bain taitneamh is a phrase meaning enjoy it. This can be used for holidays or anything else. Gaillimh is the county Galway in the west of Ireland. Ciarraí is Kerry in the southwest. Baile Átha Cliath is Dublin, the capital. And hAlbain is Scotland. One more time for those words. Laethanta saoire, saoire. Tá mé ag dul, bain taitneamh, Gaillimh, Ciarraí, Baile Átha Cliath, hAlbain.
Sin é tá ceann scríbe sriste agat ansa Gaeilge Inniu. That's it. Congratulations. You've completed the beginner course here following lesson 10 on Gaeilge Inniu. We hope that you enjoyed it, and remember you can go back over all the lessons here on the Gaeilge Inniu app.
Gorgeous. Slán go fóill.
Slán.